Hello guys, welcome back. So friends, today we will see the Webhook trigger, how to implement the logic of Webhook trigger. Let's start the demo. So very first, we are selecting the project, and in project click on workflows. Okay, here plus icon is available. Click on plus icon. Now you can see here the create new workflow option is available. Just click on that particular option. Okay. Now you can give the name of this particular workflow as a webhook trigger. After that, if you want to set any kind of a tax, you can mention here. Otherwise, this is the optional part. You can keep as it is. Then click on done. After that, here gear icon is available. Just click on that gear icon. Here you can see the polling trigger and webhook trigger. So we are looking for a webhook trigger. So just select this webhook trigger and click on next option. Okay. So this is a URL. Okay. Whenever you implement your webhook logic, and if you want to testing this particular URL, yeah, webhook, then this URL is important. So that you can just copy this URL, paste it on notepad, so that it will require later. Okay. Then do one thing. We need to define our header body as well. Okay. Then here you can see header option is available. You just copy it and click on header. Here you can give the header as a content type, type application, application slash JSON. Might be here we required a double. Okay, so that way you can if you do like if you have another kinds of a header like content type, data, any kind of as per your project, then you can mention here. Okay, then scroll down, click on body option here. In curly braces you can mention your content. Okay, so let's suppose I have content like title, and you can mention your title as abc in comma is separator. Okay, then here you can mention as a data, otherwise type. Okay, type, then colon. Okay, okay, so that way you can mention your body. A query part, if you want to mention any kind of a query, you can mention here as well. Okay, then click on next option. So here as well, in body we need to mention the content type application slash JSON. Okay, then click on next. Application slash JSON. Okay, application A is small. Yeah, like keep in mind. After that, here you can select like webhook authentication is available. Okay, so there are three ways: none, tenant credential, and webhook key. So we are selecting tenant credential and then click on next. These are auto connect, return synchronous of webhook on off is available. You can just click on active. Okay, and then click on next. Here you can see here your headers, body as well and query parameters there. Okay, then click on done. And here we like using the logger. So just drag and drop logger here. Okay, so then click on like this is a signal option. Okay, so click on signal, then click on next. Here we defining our input and output. So this body you can just drag and drop here and click on next. Click on test so that you will get the exact output. Okay, then click on done. After that, here do one thing. You can just map this. Okay, and click on the signal icon. Click on next. Here you have to map the logger, any kind of log if you have, then just drag and drop here and then click on next so that it will like mapping it will complete. Okay, okay, what we do, just cancel it, then I can click on this icon, then next. See here we have a body option. Okay, and here also we have a headers. So in headers you can mention here, and body you can mention here as well, and then click on next and try. Otherwise what we do, just type webhook, then synchronous data webhook here. You can delete that one, and now here you can just map. Click on next. Click on next. Click on done. Okay, so that way you can define your webhook trigger. Okay, so this is a implementation. If you have in a live project, if you have a number of headers, bodies, queries as well, you can just define here. By using this option you can save, and here we have a test option. By using this option you can test your workflow. Okay, so that way you can define your webhook trigger in webmethod.io tenant. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share and comment our own channel. We'll come up with a new session very soon. Till the time, stay happy, stay connected, and thank you so much.